There's something spiritual about Ivory. Even the elephants, I heard a story one time about a herd of elephants that were in a zoo. They were having a problem with them health-wise. They were all getting really lethargic and not eating and very depressed looking bunch of pachyderms. And they tried everything. Vets came and they couldn't figure out what the problem could possibly be. And I don't know if you believe in this, but it sounded like a good story to me. They contacted a pet psychic, or an animal psychic, and she went into the herd and sat with them for a bit. And when she came out, she said to the handler, the zookeeper of that department, she says, there was a death in the herd. And he said, yeah, one of the elephants died not too long ago. She says, well, what'd you do with the carcass, the body? So I go, well, we'll dispose of it. And she says, you don't have anything left of it? And he says, well, I got the skull in my office. And it's got tusks and everything in it. And so she says, well, you need to bring that out. They haven't had a chance to mourn, the passing. So he did. They brought the skull out and put it in the compound, and the elephant started trumpeting and prancing around, and then they started kicking and knocking the skull about with their trunks and so forth, and their tusks, until the tusks fell out of the skull, and then there was peace. And the elephants all went back to normal and ate and got healthy. And so there was something spiritual to them about that whole process, and so we don't give critters enough credit for what they might be thinking.